About to travel to the USA or any other country and not sure if your SIM will work? If you have an iPhone, here's the good news. You can activate an eSIM and get connected the moment you land. Today, I'll show you how to activate an eSIM on an iPhone step by step, what you need, and why Olafly can be a great option while traveling. First things first, your iPhone must support eSIM. If you have an iPhone XR or up to the newest iPhone 17, your device already comes with an eSIM built in. To confirm, go to Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM. If that option appears, you're good to go. Step 1. Buy your eSIM from a reliable store like Olafly. Choose your destination, for example, the USA, and pay online. Step 2. You'll receive an email with a QR code. Step 3. Scan the QR code and follow the instructions. In under 2 minutes, it's active. And that's it! Your iPhone is connected. If you're traveling to the USA, an eSIM is a great option because you can activate it before your trip. And the best part, you don't have to depend on your carrier's roaming. A good USA eSIM gives you unlimited data and a stable connection. And you keep your number and WhatsApp active everywhere you go. Olafly has worked perfectly for me on my trips. Fast setup, no complications, and support in English when I need it. I'm leaving the link in the description so you can check the available plans. And if you use the code in the video description at checkout, you get a discount. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.